a world without sharks, our oceans would be unrecognizable. For over 400 million years, sharks have silently patrolled the seas, serving as nature's vigilant guardians and apex predators. These incredible creatures have survived epochs that predate the dinosaurs and continue to fascinate us with their unique adaptations. In this journey of discovery, we will explore the astounding diversity of sharks, their evolutionary brilliance, and the urgent need to protect them. Our story begins beneath the shimmering surface of the ocean, where a silent power has long ruled the deep. Sharks, with their sleek bodies and formidable grace, are more than just fearsome predators. They are living relics from a prehistoric time, having thrived long before our modern world took shape. Today, we stand at a crossroads. One path leads to a future of abundant, healthy marine ecosystems, while the other threatens the survival of these ancient protectors. Dive deeper into this underwater realm, and you will find that these creatures are a masterpiece of evolution. Equipped with a covering of placoid scales, known as denticles, shark skin is as resilient as it is refined, minimizing drag and protecting them from parasites. This natural armor allows them to glide effortlessly through water, embodying a perfection honed over millions of years. Their highly refined sense of smell can detect even the faintest trace of blood, a single part per million in the vast, salty expanse of the sea. Small miracles of nature, these adaptations have allowed sharks to dominate the marine food web, ensuring balance in an ever-changing ecosystem. Visualize a tiny creature, barely 17 centimeters long, known as the dwarf lantern shark, alongside the colossal whale shark, which can reach lengths of up to 12 meters. These two extremes in size represent over 500 known species of sharks, each uniquely adapted to its own niche in the marine world. From the deep, shadowed abysses where some species dwell at depths of 2,000 meters to the sunlit shallows where others navigate near coral reefs, sharks occupy almost every corner of our planet's oceans. Some species even venture into freshwater environments, seamlessly transitioning between two worlds. Their diversity is a vivid tapestry that illustrates the resilience and adaptability of life under the sea. Yet beneath the marvel of evolution, a silent crisis unfolds. Sharks have not only adapted to their environment, but have also become indispensable to its health. As apex predators, they maintain the balance by regulating the populations of other marine species. By preying on the sick, the weak, and the elderly, they help to prevent the spread of disease and bolster the genetic strength of ocean life. Their very presence is a telling indicator of the well-being of marine ecosystems, often revealing insights into the health of the entire oceanic community. Healthy sharks mean balanced reefs, vigorous seamounts, and dynamic mangroves, a delicate equilibrium that supports life in countless forms. But the narrative takes a dramatic turn. Human activities have disrupted this balance, casting shadows over these ancient mariners. Overfishing and the relentless quest for shark fins have decimated their populations on a global scale. It is estimated that an alarming 100 million sharks are killed every year, primarily driven by the ruthless practice of shark finning. In many parts of the world, a single shipment of shark fins represents a tragic commodification of a species that has slowly evolved to perfection over hundreds of millions of years. This unsustainable exploitation is not just a threat to sharks, it signals a broader collapse within marine ecosystems. The vulnerability of sharks is compounded by their biological traits. Unlike many other marine species, sharks grow slowly and produce few offspring. This modest reproductive rate leaves them especially susceptible to overfishing and population decline. More than a third of all shark and ray species are now threatened with extinction, and the looming specter of their disappearance is a serious warning about the health of our oceans. A world without sharks is not a vision of mystery and silence beneath the waves. It is a world bereft of the powerful forces that keep marine life in check. Almost painfully, we face a crisis of disruption. The loss of sharks would destabilize the intricate food chains that have balanced marine life for eons. Their absence could unleash a cascade of ecological imbalances, radically transforming the underwater landscapes that millions depend upon. Imagine vibrant coral reefs overrun by unchecked populations, more susceptible to disease and degradation as the natural processes of balance fail. Ecosystems that once thrived under the watchful presence of sharks would fall into disarray, with consequences that extend far beyond the ocean. Yet, hope is not lost. As we peel back the layers of this crisis, we uncover a turning point fueled by both scientific discovery and collective action. Marine scientists and conservationists are working meticulously to understand these remarkable creatures and to advocate for their preservation. Research has shown that if we can protect shark populations, we stand to safeguard the overall health of our oceans. The crucial role sharks play as indicator species reinforces the need for immediate and sustained conservation efforts. Their protection is not only about preserving a single species, it is about ensuring the future of marine biodiversity as a whole. Every statistic and every fact reveals a story of resilience and interdependence. Sharks are not merely residents of the ocean. They are vital partners in maintaining the natural rhythm of marine life. Their existence ensures that other species do not overpopulate, that diseases do not spread unchecked, and that the delicate balance of marine ecosystems is sustained. Every shark patrol in the deep blue is a guardian, an unseen sentinel, ensuring that the sea remains a haven for life. Their significance extends far beyond the aesthetic of their enigmatic presence. They are integral, irreplaceable components of our natural world. Consider this: sharks possess the greatest electrical sensitivity of any animal on Earth. Thanks to the ampullae of Lorenzini, they can detect minute electromagnetic fields generated by living organisms, guiding them skillfully through the darkness of the deep oceans. This ability is not just a biological curiosity, it is a marvel that inspires awe and invites us to reflect on our own connection with nature. Watching a shark navigate its underwater domain, you cannot help but feel a profound sense of wonder and respect for the complexity of life that thrives beneath the waves. In our journey, we see not only the strengths of sharks, but also the challenges they face due to human exploitation. In the relentless pursuit of profit, many have forgotten that the ocean is not an endless resource, but a finely tuned ecosystem in which every creature plays a critical role. Shark finning, driven by demand for luxury products, has reached catastrophic levels and must be confronted with decisive action. The statistics are staggering. Between 73 and 100 million sharks are lost to finning annually, a number that reflects a disturbing trend of disregard for the natural world. This unchecked and unsustainable practice threatens not only a species, but the integrity of the marine environment on which we all depend. From these shadows of crisis, a clarion call for change emerges. Conservation efforts are being reimagined with innovative approaches to marine management and community engagement. Across the globe, dedicated individuals and organizations are raising awareness and mobilizing resources to protect these ancient predators. They urge us to recognize that saving sharks means saving our oceans and ultimately ourselves. Every act of conservation, every policy change, every community outreach initiative holds the promise of a healthier, balanced blue planet. Let us pause for a moment. Deep, breathtaking, essential. During this transformative journey, educators, researchers, and marine enthusiasts alike have joined forces to spread the word. The message is clear. To protect sharks is to preserve the vitality of our oceans. By establishing marine protected areas, promoting sustainable fishing practices, and cracking down on illegal shark finning, we can pave the way for a future where sharks thrive. This is not simply a battle for a single species. It is an imperative struggle to defend the rich tapestry of marine life that sustains our planet. As stewards of the environment, we must all recognize the interconnectedness of life and the profound impact our actions have on the natural world. Reflect on the significance of these majestic creatures. Every swish of a tail, every patient glide through the water speaks of millions of years of evolution and adaptation, culminating in a biological masterpiece. Sharks remind us that nature is a continuous story of change, resilience, and survival. Their existence inspires us to look beyond our immediate concerns and to embrace a vision of a balanced, thriving planet. The oceans have always been a source of mystery and wonder, and sharks remain at the heart of that enduring allure. In bringing this intricate narrative full circle, we recognize that our relationship with sharks is fraught with both admiration and responsibility. It is our collective duty to act, to support the research, and to advocate for changes that ensure the survival of these incredible creatures. The time to act is now. When we protect sharks, we protect the broader health of our marine ecosystems and safeguard the natural processes that sustain life on Earth. Let the powerful image of a shark slicing through deep blue waters serve as a reminder of what is at stake. A singular, poignant truth emerges. The health of our planet rests on the delicate balance of its ecosystems. And in the ocean, sharks are indispensable custodians. They are not merely relics of the past, but are vital to the future of our world. As our journey comes to an end, let us leave you with a call to action that resonates with conviction and hope. Join us in protecting these ancient predators to preserve the balance of our marine ecosystems. Every decision we make can help secure a vibrant, balanced ocean. Listen to the call of the deep, act now, and become a guardian of our blue planet. End.